Hello, my name is Cindy Ehrenberg-Seltzer, and I'm the President and CEO of the Children's Services Council of Broward County. I'm so delighted that you decided to join us to learn a bit about the Broward Data Collaborative. When I got to Broward County in 1999, the visionaries that were here already had envisioned a way that the major social service systems could communicate with each other using technology in what was known then as the Broward Information Network. Unfortunately, we were ahead of our time, and so that didn't quite reach where we wanted it to go. But that vision has always stayed with me. And thanks to a grant from the federal government, from the Performance Partnership Pilot, we've been able to move that vision into the 21st century. And it's now known as the Broward Data Collaborative. What I am most excited about is the way that the social service agencies and education agencies will be able to share data to make better decision making when it comes to planning, funding, and measuring outcomes so that we can improve the lives of Broward's children and families. I hope you'll enjoy this video and get to know a little bit more about the Data Collaborative.
Hi, I'm Sue Gallagher, the Chief Innovation Officer here at the Children's Services Council, and I'd like to talk with you a little bit about how the Broward Data Collaborative is structured. We have a governing board with all of the CEOs of the social and educational organizations that are sharing data in this collaborative. And they meet regularly to review data requests, to ensure the sustainability of the system, and to oversee its use. We also have data sharing agreements, which allows us to bring data into the system called the Data Collaborative Agreement. And then we have another set of data agreements called the Data Use Licenses, where we can then specifically release the data for specific purposes like research or program evaluation or even case management with the appropriate informed consents. These structures allow us to then really understand what's happening with the young people and the families in our community with the oversight of the largest entities in our community. With these legal data sharing agreements in place, we then allow data users to submit requests for the data. And we have a team of researchers from each of the organizations who come together to review those requests, make sure that they are appropriate, and then submit them to the database manager, who will then actually go and grab the data, clean it, and release it into the users once the governing board has approved as well. So the governance, legal, and research capabilities of the Broward Data Collaborative are supported by some amazing technology that ensures the privacy and the security of all of the data in those systems. You'll learn more about how that works in the upcoming video.
Today we have worldwide networks of shared information literally at our fingertips. Every minute of every day, information is collected and stored to help reach and better serve our communities. Organizations rely on valuable data for statistical evaluation, which is at the center of evidence-based policy and decision-making. While this data is optimized for the operation and administration of the enterprise as a whole, it is often segmented and transactional in nature. Frequently, the key data to make the best decisions does exist. The challenge is that it is often spread out across agencies, both at the local county level and also at the state level. Imagine knowing that you could better serve your communities, however the information you need belongs to another agency who is working toward the same goal. Yet, neither of you are sharing data, so you're not getting access to the big picture. But what if there is a way to securely share useful data to keep the team focused on improving the quality of service? The answer everyone is looking for is, how do we securely centralize data and make sense of it to glean meaningful and actionable insights? The good news is that it's here. Welcome to the Broward Collaborative, IDS, powered by Children's Services Council of Broward County. In recent years, integrated data systems have come to the forefront of organizations who manage large sets of data across multiple stakeholders. IDS are being developed by more and more states and local communities seeking real-time innovative solutions. How does it work? The Broward Data Collaborative is a partnership among agencies using a shared set of ground rules and agreements. Together, the collaborative decides on what kind of data makes sense to share, where the data will be stored, and guidelines around how the data will be used. Among the many topics considered when building an IDS are information access, data sharing, system structure, security, retrieval, and delivery. It is important to note that the identifying information of individuals is encrypted, allowing for absolute data privacy. However, with informed consent, participants may authorize the release of identifiable information. This is because integrated data systems concentrate on collecting information for big picture trends, patterns, and outcomes, so you will know where services and adjustments are needed. Additionally, the highest level of built-in security standards are integrated for maximum privacy. These include standards set by HIPAA and FERPA, with encryption methods applied at every stage, including data storage and transfer. Integrated data systems are able to leverage the information that is already being collected to shape powerful insights that help you better serve your communities and extend your reach into understanding their needs. What would the ability to monitor meaningful patterns about health, education, and learning behaviors enable you to do? Imagine having instant access to simplified reports, real-time statistics, and valuable data all within a secure and centralized hub. You can get more done in less time with better results and with a crystallized understanding of specific needs within your communities. All kinds of data and information are readily available in the world you experience every day. Organizations are rethinking how information is critical in determining their progress and helping refine efforts to simplify day-to-day activities. From tracking outcomes and services to academic evaluations, visualized data allows us to see complex systems and patterns in ways that were previously impossible. The Broward Data Collaborative, IDS, offers endless storage and encrypted security tools, which gives you peace of mind with quick and convenient access to real-time answers. Collectively, you can use these secure databanks for recognition and practical evaluation to identify opportunities and influence community outcomes, which means the more information you have access to, the greater the problems you can understand and solve. From improving the well-being of your communities to better management of systems to your practical day-to-day work activities, using today's technologies of an IDS, the Broward Data Collaborative is powered by Children's Services Council of Broward County to improve and benefit the quality of life.
If the video whets your appetite enough, I hope you will go to www.cscbroward.org to learn more about how you can get involved in the Broward Data Collaborative.